It's too late now. Tell me where's your... I'm not ready. Is it snap good?
No, I'm not ready.
What is going on?
Oh, it's gonna go.
All right, girls, here we go in 3.
Oh, God, and I didn't go nowhere.
I'm just kidding.
I wasn't gonna do this, Courtney.
Oh my God, just go.
Just go! I'm scared.
All right, y'all just check your seatbelt real quick.
Oh, you didn't check it? Did you check
I
it?
ain't checked it yet. Just pull on it for me. There you go.
Oh, shit! Oh, son of a bitch! I wasn't ready! I wasn't fucking ready! Ah, they told me check my seatbelt! They told me check my seatbelt! Son of a bitch! Ow! Get me down! Get me down! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Get me down! Oh no! No, please get me down! Oh no! Oh no, it's over! This wasn't worth $75! This wasn't worth it! Get me down! Oh no! No!
Are you fucking...
Yes! That motherfucker lied. He told me to check my seatbelt. I was checking it. I wasn't ready. I wasn't even holding on. I'm almost to the ground. I'm almost